Hey, what's up? Alicia here with Terradrift, and we assume, since you're here watching this video, that you, much like us, just got your hands on a brand new Espin Flow electric bicycle. Congratulations! I mean, we're pretty excited about it. We also assume that you're trying to figure out right now how the heck to put this thing together. Yeah, Espin says it's delivered about 95% put together, but there are just a few things that need connected after you pull all the parts out of the box before you're ready to ride. So let's get to it. We'll throw this thing together, see how long it takes, and hit the road. All the tools you need should have come with your bike, including a set of Allen keys, a multi-tool, and a wrench. So let's get started. You can do it, I believe in you. Let's go. First things first, tear into this box and pull out everything inside. It's all wrapped in styrofoam. Yuck, I know, but necessary. So unwrap everything and find a place to recycle all of the packaging. Once everything is unpacked, start by taking the little plastic cap off the front wheel here. It should just pop right off. And recycle. Next, find the little yellow plastic protector on the inside of the disc brake and remove that. Again, recycle. You know the drill. Grab the quick release skewer and carefully unscrew the end and remove it, making sure to keep the spring with the screw cap. Slide the skewer all the way through the center hub of the front wheel and loosely screw the cap back on, again with the spring. Then lift the front of the bike up and slide the wheel in between the arms of the front fork. Make sure that the disc brake is facing the same side of the bike as the rear cassette. Then make sure the disc brake slides in between the brake pads and mounts securely. Tighten both sides of the quick release skewer, but not too much. You'll need it loose enough to press the lever here in toward the bike frame in order to lock it in place. You want it to be nice and tight. If it's a bit difficult to press in, that's okay. It means it's good and snug. Next, attach the fender. Slide it from behind the wheel forward and attach it directly to the little cross beam between the front fork here. This is also where you can mount the headlight if you don't have a front rack. So use the same bolt and Allen key to secure them both. Then plug in the headlight. The power cables are color-coded and there are little arrows on the outside of the plug to help you line everything up correctly. So just plug in and you're ready to play. You will notice, however, that there's a long cable extension attached to the headlight. That's for if you're mounting the headlight on the front of a rack farther from the bike frame. If you're attaching it to the fender like we are here, you can remove that extension and just use the shorter cable. If you want, there are zip ties in the box so you can secure the cables in place. Now we're going to finish attaching the fender by bolting the arms to the side of the center hub using these bolts here. Just screw in using the Allen keys and multi-tool that come with the bike, and do that on both sides. On to the handlebars. Start by loosening the 4 bolts here. Remove the top half of the handlebar clamp and place the handlebar in the groove, making sure the screen is facing the seat post and the Espin logo is right side up. Place the top of the clamp back in place and screw those bolts back in nice and tight. First by hand, then with the Allen tool. Make sure it's good and snug and not shifting around, and that's that. Next, adjust the angle of the handlebars via the stem and the headset here. This is just to help dial in a comfortable reach, so adjustments totally depend on you. If you are going to make some adjustments, you may need a second Allen key, just FYI. When you've gotten it to where you want it, tighten the plate underneath the stem and handlebars to lock it in place and make sure everything is nice and tight. And then it's pedal time. Notice the inside screwy bits of the pedals are marked with an R and an L for, you guessed it, left and right. Right being the right side if you're on the bike. Important to note, the left pedal is left threaded, which means you'll twist it to the left to tighten it, not to the right as usual. Now just screw the pedals into the crankshaft on the appropriate sides and tighten using the multi-tool or wrench. Finally, adjust the seat post. Just flip open the lever on the top of the seat tube, then raise or lower the seat post to your desired height. Close the lever to tighten and you're done. But before you hit the road, make sure that if any cables came undone, you reattach them using the color-coded system. Check to make sure the brakes work and your handlebars are secure, and if you have a front rack, go ahead and mount it if you like. There are also 2 reflectors that come with the bike, but are more or less optional since there's already a brake light and a headlight. And don't forget to check the charge on your battery. If it needs charged, unlock it with the included keys, take it inside, and plug it in until the light turns from red to green. Finally, check the tire pressure, because your new Espin tires probably need some air. Fill them to 40 to 65 psi, and then you're good to go. And that's that. Your Espin Flow is put together and more or less ready to ride. The battery does come about 75 to 80% charged, but you'll probably want to charge it up before you take it out for the first time. Turn it on, make sure you've read the manual and know how to use it, and then have some fun. I mean, isn't that what an e-bike is for? We hope you found this video extremely useful and that we helped you put your Espin Flow together correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we will answer to the best of our abilities. And if you want to check out more dope gear reviews, outdoorsy guides, and more, go subscribe to our channel. We're Terradrift and we specialize in all manner of sustainable travel and adventure content. And be sure to follow us on all the social channels like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're at Terradrift on all of them. And for even more outdoorsy content, be sure to check out terradrift.com as well. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Get on your bikes and ride and wander on. Can we go yet? Can I ride it? Let's go.